Hello, my name is Leigh Hodgkinson. I'm an author and an illustrator. So my book, Martha Maps It Out, is really a story about a little girl called Martha who has a really fantastic sense of curiosity and wonderment about the world that we all live in. So I'm going to create my own make-believe town map. You can just draw your own, or you could do a mixture of the two, which I'm going to do. And while you're putting your map together, you can have a little think about what sort of place you would like it to be. I think this is my house. That's a good thing about maps. You can have pictures and you can have writing on it too. I want to live really near some trees. I'm going to live near lots and lots of trees. I think I would like a really nice big fir tree so I can watch lots of little squirrels scurry around from my bedroom window. I'm going to have a big block of flats here and maybe some other buildings over here. It could be anything. They don't have to be boring. Could be headquarters for unicorns. I think I might have some more buildings over here. I really wanted to use this bridge. I know in my town I wanted to have water. I think this is the seaside. I want to live near a shop, and this shop is selling yummy croissants, as I really like yummy croissants. So I am going to have my friend living on the same street. My friend Sarah's house. Oh, I'm going to have another bridge here. The thing you notice about rivers as well, when they get away from the sea, they get windier. I might do some more trees. Seems to be a dead-end road here. Could be the bus station. I think this is going to be the famous duck school. I think I'll have a few more houses. Go and have a quick swing and a slide, then cross the bridge. And I've decided this is going to be a cinema, so I can go and watch nice films, and maybe there'll be some boats here. See, that looks like it's a different sort of boat, a little chuggy boat. I'm running out of space now, so I'm just going to do a little ice cream cellar here. Ice cream shack. A few bushes. So I might have a hotel here. Hotel for, I really like cats. Sometimes cats are quite snooty in particular, so they might quite like to stay. You can never have too many trees. Out of town. I think, because I like anything creative, so I think this is going to be an art gallery, art shop as well. Then I can buy all my art supplies. This is going to be a museum. Oh, maybe that's a bookshop. I can walk out of my back door and just go into my little art cabin. I think I'll add some round windows here. I think this is a magic house. So I think that's nearly done. Oh, I feel my fish don't look very happy, so I'm just going to give them nice, smiley, happy fish faces. There's one gap. A really important thing. Write what the town's called. The wonderful town of I'm just going to call it by my name. Yeah, the wonderful town of Leigh. Actually, I do think there's already a town called Leigh, but I don't think it looks like this one.